child. We believe that even in the most challenging situations, everyone is doing something right. We work towards finding and strengthening these capabilities. When we reach children through what they are good at and enjoy, we can teach them better. Our work at Setu is always done in collaboration, as we know that children who are surrounded by people who are understanding and supportive thrive in all areas of their development. This is the emotional village we seek to build. Setu's training programs are always interactive, and we welcome your participation. Keep a pen or a pencil and a paper ready to note down important points or answer questions posed by the speaker. Keep your mics on mute so that there is no disturbance during the session. But feel free to type your comments or questions in the chat. To get most out of our sessions, stay on till the end and make sure to give your valuable feedback. Thank you. A very good evening to one and all. As we know, we are in a pandemic and it's a very difficult time for everybody. But at the beginning of the year, around January or February, uh, a vaccine was come up with, yeah, and that is a ray of hope for everybody. But there are a lot of questions that we have received surrounding the vaccine. Okay, so thus we decided to have this webinar to address all these questions and clear the doubts in the minds of many. So we have with us today Dr. Ira Almeida from District Hospital and Dr. Nandita D'Souza from Setu. Doctor, over to you.
Thank you, Shanessa. A very warm welcome to everybody. It's raining outside, but my heart is feeling so happy and good and full of sunshine because I can see so many people here to listen to and discuss a very, very important topic. तुमकां सगळ्यांक माय मोगाचो येवकार. म्हाका खूब खोशी आसा की आमचे कडेन आयज डॉक्टर आयरा अल्मेडा आसा. शनेसा बायन सांगलें की फ्रॉम 2019 हो नवें दुयेंस COVID-19 आमचे मदें येल्लें आसा. And it has really been like a tsunami of all kinds of struggles. एकाचे फाटल्यान एक आमकां दिसता आतां जालें सोंपलें आतां नॉर्मल लायफ सुरू करूंक जाता आनी कितें जाता सेकंड वेव येता आनी कितें जाता. So it has been a long, long time. And as Shanessa said, when the vaccine came out, okay, it was like hope. However, vaccine asa, pun bhai bhi asa. So these fears that we have, today we hope that we can decrease these fears and maybe even remove them completely. And to do this, we have Dr. Ira. So I always say, never fear, Ira is here, and she will be discussing with us all the different questions. जे प्रश्न आमचे मनान आसा, खूब जाणां आमकां प्रश्न धाडल्या, देव बरें करूं, कित्याक ते प्रश्न आमी आतां डिस्कस करतले. पूण समज तुमच्या मनान कितें प्रश्न येता जाल्यार, if there's any new questions that come up in your mind, please put them in the question answer section and we'll make sure we answer all of them. आतां आयराचे बद्दल हांव कितें सांगूंक सोदतां. So Ira is the head of the Department of Pediatrics in the South Goa District Hospital. And खूब वर्सां she was the medical superintendent of Auspicio, and under her care, the hospital was transformed. She's also been actively involved in the whole COVID-19, anti-COVID-19 campaign. And खूब आवरलें ती आसा म्हणून खूब नवे जे आमी SOPs म्हणटा, प्रोसिजर्स, लोकांक सुरक्षीत उरपाक सगळे म्हणजे जे प्लॅन आसा, भुरग्याक कशें आमी सांबाळटात ते सगळे सारके प्लॅनिंग करपाक. Ira is there now on the COVID-19 task force for children. And as I said, we are very happy to have her here. I'm very proud to also call her my friend. And she has an MD in pediatrics as well as a special training in adolescents and many, many years of experience. So without any further delay, Ira, welcome. आणि बरेच खूप वर्ष आसा तू हांगा आमच्या येयल्लें आसा म्हणून, and we look forward to learning from your wisdom and experience. Can I shoot my first question to you? Ira, you're on mute.
Yes.
Okay,
I'm all
great.
set, yeah.
Okay, thank you. So, what is this COVID, Ira? If you could just tell us a little bit about what COVID is and why is it so serious? I mean, we've had so many viral infections. आमकां थंडी जाता, flu जे म्हणटा ते आमकां जाता. पूण हे जे COVID येयल्लें आसा, इतले भयानक कित्याक आसा? Can you please explain to us?
Yes, Nandita. This COVID-19 virus came to our notice in November 2020. And at that time, we were quite complacent. We were cool about it, thinking that we have conquered earlier viruses like the swine flu virus and other coronaviruses. But soon we realized this was a new virus. It is a novel virus. And this virus has a capacity to enter your body. When it does, it just hijacks your whole immune system, sets up shop in different places of your body, most commonly the lungs and the gastrointestinal system. And from then on, it can just produce different kinds of picture. The most dangerous being the need for oxygen, and from there, and you could die because of the complications of complicated COVID.
म्हणटच तूं कितें म्हणटा की हेचे पयले कोविड म्हणजे कोरोना व्हायरस केन्ना नाशिल्ले आनी देखून आमच्या शरिरान कांयच डिफेन्स नासले देखून कोरोना व्हायरस आमच्या शरिरान येता तेन्ना आमच्या शरिराक हायजॅक करता आनी आपल्याचे कार्बन कॉपीज प्रोड्यूस करता म्हणजे आमची बॉडी एक फॅक्टरी कशें जाता कोरोना व्हायरसाची रायट एंड इट इन्वेड्स द होल बॉडी and overtakes us, and we have no defense against it. Am I right?
Yes, absolutely. Okay. But we have a defense in the form of a vaccine now.
Right. Okay. So tell us how the vaccine helps.
So if you liken your body to, say, a house, just to put it simply, and through the door you let in good people and bad people. So you would let in good viruses and bad viruses. Now this is a virus that the body does not know. So when you let it in, like I said earlier, it will set up shop in different places, start producing, the factory starts working, and the virus is all over in your body. But the vaccine acts like a security system. So your vaccine produces antibodies which act as security people, and as soon as the virus enters, it pounces on it and kills it and does not allow it to set up shop or start the factory going. Now we know that no virus is like 100% effective, but still if it was say 90% or 80%, it would produce say 80 security people who would then catch hold of the virus. Even if it were less, say with only one dose, and you have say only say 60%, you still have 60 security people catching hold of this virus and destroying it.
Right. Wow, I love that example. आणि तुवें सांगलें तशें सपोज कोण चोरपाक आमचे एक चोर येता आमच्या घरान आनी आमी दार उक्तें करून ताका भितर येवपाक दिता पूण इंजेक्शन वासीन आसा जाल्यार आमची सिक्युरिटी वाडटा आनी ते चोराक धरपाक आतां सिक्युरिटी सिस्टम जाग्यार आसा right and we can fight the virus. Okay, so you said it does not give 100% protection म्हणजे 100% सुरक्षा मेळना पूण तरी पूण ते वासीन आमी घेना जाल्यार आमकां कांयच सुरक्षा ना रायट बिकॉज इट्स अ न्यू वायरस पूण vaccine घेवन आमची सुरक्षा वाडटा and it may not be 100% but it is much better. But suppose now we get COVID even if we've taken one dose, how are we protected by this vaccine?
Yeah, so even if you have taken one dose, let's talk about the Covishield vaccine, what is available with us in the government. If you take one dose, it protects only 33% from symptomatic COVID. Means you would get symptoms of flu or the other symptoms of COVID. But it protects against 71% of you from getting hospitalized or suffering from severe COVID or dying from COVID. And if you take 2 doses, you have, say, from symptomatic COVID and the present Delta strain that is going around, if you take 2 doses, you're 60% protected from getting symptomatic COVID, but hospitalization, it protects to as much as 92%. So it will not allow you to die, it will not allow you to have severe disease, so high as its protectivity is 92%. This is what I'm talking about is Covishield that is available presently with the Goa government.
Right. ओके म्हणटच ते एक डोज पासून आमी घेतल्यार ते डेंजर जे आसा ते कोरोना व्हायरसाचे ते खूब कमी जाता आनी गोडे जावंक शकता सा की आमकां कोरोना व्हायरसाचे सिम्पटम्स येवंक शकता सा थंडी येवंक शकता सा खोकली येवंक शकता सा जोर येवंक शकता सा पूण आमी मरचे ना मरपाचे चान्स कमी आसा करेक्ट आनी
Yes.
2 डोजेस घेतल्यार आनीकूय प्रोटेक्शन आमकां मेळटा आनी गोळेक आमी घरानूच रावन सगळे ट्रीटमेंट करूंक जाता आमकां ऑक्सिजनाची गरज पडचे ना आमकां हॉस्पिटलांत वचपाची गरज पडचे ना ओके सो इवन इफ इट डजंट गिव अस 100% इट डज प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम सिवियर डिसीज
Yeah. So let me tell you, Nandita, about our second wave. So far, we've had like 1,797 deaths. Of these deaths, 1,460 had no doses taken. Only 6 had both doses taken, and these were people who are immunocompromised, some were on dialysis, one had some chronic liver failure. So these were people in whom the response to the vaccine was not, good. Of course, 161, we didn't have the data, but you can see there's a very large number, 1,460 of the 1,700 plus had no immunization.
रायट तूं कितें म्हणटा जे लोक मरले गोंयान ताणें एक डोस सुद्दां घेवंक ना आनी जे 100 लोक आसले जे वॅक्सीन घेतले तांच्या शरिरान आनी कितें प्रॉब्लेम आसले
Yes.
डायलिसीस घेताले या तांची इम्युनिटी जी आसा इम्युनिटीची कमी आसली
Yeah,
म्हणटच
that's right.
वॅक्सिना बद्दल तितलो बरो रिस्पॉन्स तांकां दिवपाक मेळोंक ना ओके सो दॅट्स रियली ग्रेट टू नो दॅट म्हणजे आमकां रिसर्च शोध दाखयता की डेफिनेटली द वॅक्सीन इज प्रोटेक्टिंग अस That's really good to know. Is there any difference between Covishield and Covaxin? Which one is better?
See, Covishield at the moment, like I told you, it will give you, if you take both doses, 92% protection from severe disease. But in the case of Covaxin, their data is not fully up. They say that it will protect you from 55 to 90%, but they have not published all their data. And it is for this reason that some countries in Europe are not accepting Covaxin as a vaccine certificate. Their vaccine
Right.
certificate.
होय आमी आयकला की थोडे कंट्री जे आसा विजा दिना कोवॅक्सीन घेतल्या जाल्यार आनी फक्त कोविशिल्ड घेतल्या जाल्यार विजा दितले रायट इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रिजन की सगळे जे जानकारी आसा ते अजून पब्लिश करूंक ना लोकांक सांगूंक ना पूण कोविशिल्डाची जानकारी आमकां मेळपाक जाता म्हणून most people are going for Covishield, though Covaxin has also been found to be effective.
Yes.
Okay. So tell me, Ira, आता कितें आसा वासीन तयार करपाक to prepare a vaccine खूब वर्सां लागता. It's a long research process. But we know for these COVID-19 vaccines, everything happens so fast. So do you think that people have been wondering, are these substandard? They've not done proper studies, maybe because of the rush to produce the vaccine. What's your take?
No, we don't realize that today scientific advances have been so good that in no time they isolate the viruses. Also, they are able to talk about the mutations. We know that this particular strain is a Delta strain, and now we know there is a Delta plus strain. And so they identify the virus very quickly. And In the case of the COVID-19 vaccine, they were fortunate to have years of research of other coronaviruses like MERS and SARS, even the Ebola, which is a non-coronavirus, and they had the advantage of using that research to speed up the process of vaccine production.
ओके म्हणटच तूं कितें म्हणटा सपोज आमी हे जे वासीन तयार करपाची जर्नी आसा आमी एक रस्त्याचे कंपेर करता तूं म्हणटा की पयलीं सपोज पॉयंट ए टू पॉयंट बी आनी वचपाक आमी चलून वयताले कित्याक आमचे कडेन सायकल नासले गाडी नासल्यो कांयच नासलें करेक्ट म्हणटच इतले टायम लागतले पूण आतां आमचे कडेन टॅक्नॉलॉजी आसा देखून वासीन प्रोड्यूस करपाक आमचे कडेन एक रॉकेट कशें आसा करेक्ट वी कॅन गो व्हेरी फास्ट अँड गेट वॉट वी वॉन्ट गेट द इन्फॉर्मेशन बिकॉज वी हॅव द टेक्नॉलॉजी विथ अस.
That's right, yes.
So thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. So, Dr. Ira, who should take the vaccine?
See, as of now, we are fortunate that, you must have realized that the government of Goa has first, and the government of India had started with priority groups. So the 60 plus were vaccinated, then the 45 plus were vaccinated. And then 18 plus onwards, they started priority groups. And they had chosen lactating mothers because there was a double benefit. The mother would be protected, she would breastfeed her baby, and then the baby would be protected. Then they chose children with adults with disabilities. They even gave the carers of these of children with disabilities. So, but now from last Sunday, everybody above 18 can take the vaccine. Children can't take the vaccine, not because it's not good in children or it's bad for children. It's because we haven't done enough research, or there haven't been trials that have been completed in children in India and with the Covishield and Covaxin. But this is going on. ICMR has started. And we know that the Pfizer vaccine is being used in children from 12 to 18 abroad. And they now started trials from 6 to 12 as well. So as of now in Goa, 18 plus, anybody and everybody can take the vaccine.
Thank you. म्हणजे तुवें स्पष्ट सांगलें की सगळीं जाणां वासीन 18चे सुबेज एज आसा जाल्यार सगळीं जाणां वॅक्सीन घेवपाक जाय. आनी पयले कित्याक वॅक्सीन न्यू आसले फक्त जे हाय रिस्क ग्रूप आसले जाणटे मागीर जे लोकांक म्हणजे डायबिटीज जे आमी कोमोर्बिडिटीज म्हणटात तांकां वॅक्सीन घेवपाक सांगले. पूण आतां वॅक्सीन प्रोडक्शन वाडयल्या आनी जे लो रिस्क ग्रुप्स आसा तांकां बी आमी दिवंक जाता. सो एवरी वन अबव 18 आनी फुडें आमी भुरग्याक बी दिवंक लागतले, रायट?
Yes, that's right. Yeah.
So, what are the side effects? आमी खूब आयकल्या की वॅक्सीन घेतल्यार एलर्जी जाता या आमचे रगत सारके म्हणजे वचना, ब्लॉक जाता, थ्रोम्बोसिस जाता या लोक बी म्हणटा की भुरगीं जावचे ना, विल गेट स्टेरिलिटी if you take the vaccine. So could you please reassure us that this vaccine is safe?
See, the vaccine is safe in that we have given in our own center, say 25,000 doses plus. And we have seen that we keep patients for half an hour so that if there's anyone who has an allergy, most likely the reaction will come immediately. So we observe them for half an hour. The only side effect that does not allow you to take the vaccine is if you have had a history of previous allergy requiring hospitalization. But simple allergies, patients सांगतात थंडीची allergy आसा, prawns खायल्यार allergy आसा, शिब्रिंजा खायल्यार पोटान येता. These are not contraindications to taking the vaccine. Even if you have drug allergies like penicillin or sulfur, these are not drugs which are used to manufacture this vaccine. So safely you can take the vaccine. The side effects that we see are mainly like flu-like symptoms, which are, headache, body ache, mild chills, sore throat. And in very few people, you may see the side effects of blood clots that you mentioned. And this is a rare side effect which happens because the body is an altered immune reaction. So the body does not recognize its own platelets, and the platelets fall. It's like an ITP situation, and which is a rare occurrence, like 1 in a lakh. But these side effects occur much more often with measles and MMR and hepatitis B. And we have been giving these vaccines for so many years, and we've not had such side effects.
थँक्यू डॉक्टर आयरा, ती जानकारी खूप महत्वाची आसा. आणि तूं म्हणटा की फक्त जे ॲलर्जी म्हणटा लोकांक पिताम जाता, दे गेट हायव्स, सो दॅट इज नॉट अ कॉन्ट्राइंडिकेशन.
नो, एब्सोल्युटली
म्हाका शीक येता जाल्यार आय स्नीज, आय हॅव लायक हे फीवर, सो यू नो व्हेन इट्स the rice is growing, paddy is growing, that time I start sneezing, but that's not a contraindication for the vaccine. Only if I've been hospitalized with a acute severe allergy, only then I should not take the vaccine.
Yes, that's right.
Okay. Okay. आणि तू म्हणटा जे ते साइड इफेक्ट्स विथ थ्रोम्बोसिस जाल्ले आसा, the risk with other vaccines is also there, but we have never not given measles vaccine or hepatitis vaccine because of this. So there's no additional COVID vaccinaचे side effect म्हणजे सुबेज न्हय. It's the usual risk for all vaccines and we can safely take it.
That's right, yes.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so what about people, other people who cannot take the vaccine besides the allergy? Someone asked in the questions whether a person with cerebral palsy and who has convulsions 2 or 3 every day, can you vaccinate someone like that?
See, cerebral palsy per se, definitely we can give the vaccine, and it should be given on priority, because these are people who can't complain when they're sick, and we know that their movements and their muscle tone and abnormalities can also contribute to a worsening, lung improvement. But if he has epilepsy and it is uncontrolled, the priority is first to control the epilepsy and then give the vaccine.
Right. म्हणटच कोणाक मारून येता जाल्यार आनी ते मारून परत परत येता जाल्यार ते पयले ताचे वखद दिवपाचे आसा, ते कंट्रोल करपाक, आनी मागीर तांकां वासीन दिवंक जाता. रायट. आनी सपोज कोणाक विकलांग आसा जाल्यार आमी सांगले तशें सेरेब्रल पॉल्सी या ऑटिझम या इंटलेक्च्युअल डिसेबिलिटी ते आसा जाल्यार नो प्रॉब्लेम, वासीन दिवपाकूच जाय, कित्याक ते भुरग्याक या त्या मनशांची रिस्क मातशें सुबेज आसा कोरोना व्हायरस जावपाक. So it's better to vaccinate. Okay. Oh, thank you so much. Now, what happens if both parents have had COVID? Suppose family in konak COVID zalle asa, तांकां vaccine दिवंक जाता?
No, if you've had COVID, your body is already producing the vaccine, the antibodies. So we generally we wait for 3 months after recovery from COVID before we give the vaccine. So if you have a mild disease and you have been managed at home, then we take 17 days after the test, and after that you count 3 months and we give the vaccine. But if you've been admitted from the day of discharge, we count 3 months.
ओके. म्हणटच तूं कितें म्हणटा, सपोज कोणाक कोविड जाल्ले आसा आनी ताणें वासीन घेवंक ना, ओके, जे टेस्ट पॉझिटिव्ह येयल्ले आसा RT-PCR या खंयचे टेस्ट केले जाल्यार 17 दिसाचे उपरांत तेन्ना सन आमी 3 म्हयने काउंट करता. करेक्ट? सपोज फर्स्ट जुनाचेर तांचो टेस्ट पॉझिटिव्ह येयला, 17 जून सन आमी 3 म्हयने काउंट करता. सो जून, जुलै, ऑगस्ट, सप्टेंबर, म्हणटो 17 सप्टेंबराचेर आमी ते वासीन दिवंक जाता. आनी दिवपाकूच जाय. वाय शूड वी गिव इट? कित्याक दिवपाक जाय? आतां कोविड जाला न्ही ताका.
No, because we have seen that after 3 months, the antibodies decline. And even if there are some antibodies, this dose would even boost it even further. And one more thing is that if they've taken one dose earlier and then they were due for their second dose, but suddenly they got COVID, the same rule applies.
ओके.
We will still give the second dose, yes.
ओके. म्हणटच एक डोस घेतला जाल्यार तोच रूल आमी यूज करतात दुसरो डोस तांकां दिवपाक. ओके. हां. सो नाव द गॅप बिटवीन डोसेस. पयले आमकां सांगले एका म्हयन्यान घेवपाचें आसा, आतां म्हणटा 84 days. इज इट बिकॉज दे डोंट हॅव इनफ वॅक्सीन? वॅक्सिनाची कमी आसा म्हणून आतां डिले केला?
No, that's not true at all. In fact, we have lots of vaccines. We're just waiting for people to come to get vaccinated. The reason why it moved to 12 weeks was this is a new virus. This is a new vaccine. So as more evidence comes in, we realize that bigger the gap, the better is the antibody response. Now, when I took the vaccine, I took my second dose after 4 weeks. Later, it turned to 6 weeks, like you said. And while in the UK and some countries abroad, they already had moved to 12 weeks. But in India, they gathered data to see whether we Indians respond differently. And they found that bigger the gap is the better the antibody response.
ओके थँक्यू म्हणटच हो वॅक्सीन न्यू आसा म्हणून नवो आसा म्हणून पयलीं आमी सुरू केले तेन्ना तितले जानकारी आमचे कडेन नासले रायट पूण आतां 1 वर्स जाल्लें आसा आमकां आनीक जानकारी मेळोंक जाता आनी आतां खूब रिसर्च करून शोध करून आमकां कळ्ळें की गॅप वाडयता जाल्यार ते एंटीबॉडीचे रिस्पॉन्स बरो मेळटा right? But what is the risk of getting COVID? Suppose आता म्हणजे 2 महिने जाले हांवें सेकंड डोस घेवंक ना म्हाका कोविड जावपाची रिस्क जातली न्ही म्हणटच ते कशें प्रिव्हेंट करूंक जाता हाऊ कॅन आय प्रिव्हेंट गेटिंग कोविड आफ्टर टेकिंग 1 डोस
No, 1 dose is not enough to protect you because, like I said earlier, if you take 1 dose, it will protect you only 30% from symptomatic COVID with the Delta variant. And meanwhile, the risk is that you will give it to your children who are not protected at the present time. Okay, so the other thing is that 1 dose also does not protect you as much as 2 doses from hospitalization or severe COVID.
Right. So I should continue to take precautions, even though I've taken 1 dose, right?
See, whether you take 1 dose or 2 doses, because the you still get the COVID disease. Okay, the infection will be there, but you won't get sick from it. You won't die from it, but you could spread it. You could transmit it to other susceptible people. And the immediate susceptible population that is there is your children at home.
Right. ओके म्हणटच आमी आवय बापूय जे आसा घरान जे लोक आसा आमी खूब काळजी घेवपाक जाय आमी स्पेशली वासीन घेयना जाल्यार आमच्या भुरग्याक जावंक शकता आसा सो आय एम गोइंग टू कम टू द चिल्ड्रन नाव बिकॉज यू ब्रॉट इट अप आतां कोविड जाले करेक्ट मागीर म्हणूंक लागले सेकंड वेव्ह आमकां दिसता आतां सगळे बरें आसा डिसेंबरान आमी क्रिसमस मनयला न्यू इयर एवरीवन वॉज व्हेरी हॅपी आनी मागीर तो सेकंड वेव्ह येयला right? Now we are saying third wave, and that is going to affect children. Is it true? And could you give us some information? As parents, we are really worried about this.
Yes, see, pandemics come in waves, right? Because the virus enters a susceptible population, enters the population. Okay, the virus is new now. Now we know that older people have been affected. They suffered from the disease, they've been vaccinated. 45 plus, the same thing. But when a virus enters a new population, it searches for people who are not immunized from natural infection or from the vaccine, and it starts immediately moving in the community. It rises rapidly till it reaches a peak, and then once it stops finding people who are susceptible, the peak starts coming down. This year, our peak was on May 7th, where we had 4,197 cases on one day. Yesterday, we had some 200 plus infections. So we know that the peak is coming down. So once the peak starts coming down, the virus now will look for populations that don't have natural immunity or who are not vaccinated. And our children have been cocooned at home for the last 15 months. No school, no play because of lockdowns and curfew. So they've had no natural immunity. And the second thing is they have not been vaccinated because they are not eligible for vaccination. So this right area just waiting. The virus could just attack them. And we are really mindful that this third wave will affect them. And the good news is that children don't have severe disease, but just by sheer numbers, we could have many such cases requiring hospitalization.
Right. Thanks,
I should make myself clear there. Like, so if you have like the virus affecting children, say 100 children, 90% will have just mild or asymptomatic. The remaining 10% will have moderate to severe disease requiring hospitalization. Only 2 to 3% will have severe disease requiring oxygen, requiring ICU care.
Thank you, Ira. म्हणटच तूं कितें म्हणटा की हो कोरोना व्हायरस जे आसा एक चोर कशें आनी चरपाकूच जाय ताका म्हणटच
Yes.
पयलीं जे जाणटे जाण आसात तांचे घरान गेला तांचे बॉडीन गेल्या आतां तांकां आमी वासीन दिल्या आतां 45 एंड अबव तांकां दिल्या 18 एंड अबव दिल्या आतां कोण उरले आमची भुरगीं उरल्या करेक्ट आनी
Yes,
भुरगीं
that's right.
इतले
Yeah.
इतले म्हयने घरान उरले म्हणटच तांकां कांयच इम्युनिटी ना स्कुलाक वचूंक ना नाजाल्यार स्कुलान बी वयता तेन्ना केन्ना केन्ना कोणाची इन्फेक्शन पिकअप करता पूण तांची इम्युनिटी वाडटा रायट पूण आतां कोरोना व्हायरसाचे बद्दल तांचे कडेन कांयच इम्युनिटी ना म्हणटच एक चोर कोरोना व्हायरस जे आसा ते रावता आतां भुरग्याचे बॉडीन वचपाक म्हणटच कशें आमी आमचे भुरग्याक सुरक्षीत दवरूंक जाता कित्याक तांकां आमी वासीन दिवंक जायना आतां सद्या आमी तांकां वासीन दिवंक जायना म्हणटच आमी कितें करपाचें हे थर्ड वेव भुरग्याक not to affect children in this third wave or at least the least possible effect आमी कितें करूंक जाता we as the adults as the parents of these children.
See, we are lucky that the vaccine, we have been praying all along that the vaccine should come. The vaccine has come, the vaccine is available. So if all parents and who surround children are vaccinated, they will form a protective ring around children, and there is no chance that the virus will get a foothold into our children who are susceptible.
Right. That makes a lot of sense. तूं कितें म्हणटा की सपोज जे फामीलचो लोक आसा त्या सोसायटीन या त्या भुरगे आसा थंय सगळे लोकांक आमी वासीन दिता जाल्यार ते एक असे प्रोटेक्टीव दुरी कशें जाता अराउंड द चायल्ड आनी व्हायरस ते क्रॉस करूंक जायना म्हणटच आमची भुरगीं सुरक्षीत उरता. And hopefully by that time we will have a vaccine that we can give or we will know that we can give the vaccine to children. But till then, it's our duty as adults to make sure we protect our children by taking the vaccine. Am I right? Did I
Yes,
get you right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, now some parents have asked, now we can't give the vaccine as of now to our children.
Yes.
आणि तांची immunity जी आसा कशी आमी वाडोवंक जाता यू नो आनी खूब फावटी भुरगीं सारके जेवना तांकां कशें विकलांग आसा फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऑटिझम दे आर फसी इटर्स यू नो दे डोंट वॉन्ट टू ईट से फ्रूट ऑर फूड्स दॅट वी नो आर न्यूट्रिशियस म्हणटच कॅन द पेरेंट्स टेक एनी प्रिकॉशन्स besides taking the vaccine, besides wearing a mask and all that, in terms of the diet, are there any things you can recommend to parents to build the immunity of their children?
Yeah, that's a good question because a lot of people feel that that's an area they can do something for their children. Now, immunity cannot be built overnight. So starting, drugs or vitamins where after you get COVID is not really the right time. We know that certain vitamins like vitamin A is required to regenerate your linings, particularly the respiratory linings. We know vitamin D has a protective effect. And now children are at home. They don't have enough sunlight. They don't go out to play. There's the rains, the monsoon also is here. So that's another vitamin that can be supplemented. And vitamin C, all the vitamins, if your child is not getting enough in the diet, then you need to supplement it. But good food, exercise, and sleep, both these, particularly exercise and sleep, stimulate your immune system in ways that are not visible. So this is an area that parents have to work on. It's very challenging with the lockdowns and curfews, but this is an area they need to work on.
Right. Thank you, Dr. Ira. So you very clearly said, तुवें म्हणला की विटामिन A आणि विटामिन डी खूब जे गरजेचे आसा आणि विटामिन डी आमकां जे सूर्यसन पासून मेळटा पूण ह्या दिसांनी भुरगीं भायर वचना आनी आतां पावस येयलो आसा म्हणटच सूर्य आमकां दिसना पूण भुरगीं सारके भाशेन जेवता जाल्यार हे एक्स्ट्रा दिवपाची गरज ना पूण सपोज भुरगीं सारके जेवना जाल्यार जे आमी फसी इटर्स म्हणटा त्या भुरग्यांक आमी ते सप्लिमेंट करूंक जाता आणि तूं म्हणल्यार आनीक दोन वस्तू खूब गरजेची आसा एक एक्सरसायज आणि ते आता indoors दिवंक जाता या I suppose if there's a terrace in the building where the child can be taken and to run around or to cycle. आणि दुसरे need, because in sleep our immunity is built up, right? And so making sure that children get adequate sleep. And I'm sure, the screens which children are using, especially teenagers. So I think parents will have to manage that to make sure the teenagers get adequate sleep.
Yeah, that's absolutely right. Yes, because that's the big new disease that we're having now. People are coming to OPD saying that their children are addicted to gadgets and they want therapy for that. So this is definitely an area where parents need to work on so that children get enough sleep. There's one more point I want to make is it's not directly related to diet, but a lot of people believe in the magic of having steam inhalations. And it has gone to such a point that doctors have found that there is scalding of the upper airways. Because people believe that if they go out, they come and take hot steam, and they take it three or four times a day. And if they get the slightest cold, they go overboard on steam. So just having your normal bath and at which time steaming occurs and your airways are cleaned up, that's enough. Please do not go overboard with steaming.
Thank you. म्हणून तू कितें म्हणटा की वाफ अशें घेवपाची गरज ना, कित्याक लोक ते आयकून 2-3 फावटी दिसा घेता आणि तेजे खातीर तांचे जे श्वास घेवपाची पॅसेज आसा ते म्हणजे
उबेन
Okay. Thank you so much. I have a question about other vaccines. आता भुरग्याक बाकीचे vaccine जे आसा, DPT, measles vaccine, ते दिवपाचे की नाका?
All these other vaccines have to continue. If you have had COVID, we wait for 1 month before we resume the immunization schedule. And there's one more vaccine, the flu vaccine, that a lot of people have been talking about. Now, in some states and in some countries, they advocate the flu vaccine at this time of the year. So you take it now when you're ready for winter, when the flu viruses are active. But it can be taken if you want to, decrease your chance of ever entering a hospital where the chance of getting COVID, cross-infection with COVID would be there. And Maharashtra, they have advised it in the hope of freeing up beds so that they are available for COVID during the third wave. But to tell you, in Goa, every year we get about 800 to 900 cases of acute respiratory infections, most of which will be viruses. But last year, during this last 15 months, we've just had about 300 cases. And if no schools are to continue and the curfews are going to be in place, I see no role for the flu vaccine.
तूं म्हणटा की बाकीचे वासीन जे आमी भुरग्याक दितात ते चालू दवरपाक जाय. पूण सपोज भुरग्याक कोविड जाता जाल्यार ते म्हणजे बरें जाता तेजे उपरांत 1 म्हयन्याच्या उपरांत आमी तांचे बाकीचे वासीन सुरू करूंक जाता. Right. Now, 2 special situations. The vaccine in pregnancy, आवय गुरवार आसा तेन्ना दिवचे की ना, and breastfeeding. If the mother is breastfeeding, should we give the vaccine or not? If you could please tell us.
Yes. So in India, we are strongly recommending the vaccine during breastfeeding. Like I said earlier, the mother produces antibodies. These antibodies are like a vaccine that would go to the child who is not eligible for vaccination otherwise. But for pregnancy, we are not yet giving it in India, though in some countries the Pfizer vaccine is being used during pregnancy.
आवय भुरग्याक दूध दिता जाल्यार वासीन घेवंक जाता आणि आवयचे दुधान ते एंटीबॉडीज भुरग्याक पावतले. पूण गुरुवार बायलोक अजून आमी वासीन दिना आमचे देशात. Okay, great. So Ira, I can see the clock ticking and I want the other parents also to answer their questions. So one last question from me. If you had a message for all the parents of the world and especially parents in Goa about the vaccination, what would you tell them?
I would tell them to get vaccinated as soon as possible. Urge everyone around you to get vaccinated because we know that Thousands of children have died all over the world and they have been orphaned, and we don't want this to happen in Goa. You, as parents, give your children all the vaccines, 18 to 22 vaccines a year. You have been vaccinated yourself. You have taken protection from these vaccines against polio, TB, measles. We did not ask at that time what are the side effects. We knew that there were some. We know that some don't work 100%, yet we took them. So give yourself a chance to live so that you're there for your children and there are families that will be happy in the years to come.
थँक्यू आयरा. खूब स्पष्ट तरीकेन तुवें सांगल्या की आवय बापूयचे एक जबाबदारी आसा स्वताक सुरक्षीत दवरपाक. कित्याक आमी आसपाक जाय, आमी वी मस्ट बी अलायव फॉर आवर चिल्ड्रन.
Yes.
आनी आमी वासीन घेतल्यार आमी आमचे भुरग्याक सुरक्षीत दवरूंक जाता. So there's no doubt at all that all parents and all family members must take the vaccine to protect our children. Okay, thank you so much. Shanessa, will you please let us know about the questions in the chat box
Yes, doctor.
if they've not been addressed? Yeah.
There are a couple of questions, yes. So there is a question one parent had asked, but how do I protect my child who has tested negative in the antibodies test? Because none of our family members were COVID patients.
Yes, so the parents, if none of the families were COVID patients, so we know that now they have no immediate protection against COVID. They must get vaccinated as soon as possible, and that way they will protect their child. Does it answer the question? I hope.
Thank you, doctor. So the next question is, someone asked about the types of vaccines that are available in Goa and in India.
So as of now, we have the Covishield vaccine that is given free by the government, and it is superior in terms of protection against the Delta variant that is currently the one that is around. As I said earlier, 92% it protects you after 2 doses from severe disease and hospitalization. And the second vaccine available is the Covaxin, which is a killed vaccine, but its data is not fully up, so we are not sure about what is the level of protectivity, though the company has reported 55% to up to 90%. The other vaccines are not yet come, but the government is in process of allowing other vaccines to come into the country.
डॉक्टर आयरा, आता कोवॅक्सिनचे ट्रायल सुरू जाल्ले आसा आमचे देशांनी.
Yes, ICMR has started in children.
12
yes.
to 18, then 6 to 12, and then 2 to 6.
Yes.
Right? By when will those results be available?
We really don't know because it has just started, but they hope that it should be ready by the end of this year. So they're looking more that in March 2022, we'll get back to normal life and schools will reopen.
Okay, I'm just going to read a couple of questions from the chat linked to the school questions. So Edwina said that some of the European countries like the UK and Netherlands, schools are going on as normal. So she wants to know, are children not susceptible to the virus there?
See, in those places, significant populations are vaccinated in relation to the school environment. Overall, the percentage of vaccinees may not be so much, but in relation to the school environment, yes. So the best way to do it is to ensure all workplaces are protected by having people there vaccinated. So like one of the colleges has approached us recently and they said all the college section are all above 18. The young adults are waiting to come back to college. So they want all of them vaccinated as all the staff have already been vaccinated. So you can create environments where people are vaccinated and it's safe to be.
Thank you so much, Dr. Ira. In fact, at SETU, we are insisting, and in fact, it's already happened, all staff have taken at least 1 dose. And we want this to happen. We are also going to be checking the parents who come in. Why? Because we want our children to be safe. So if any adult comes into Setu without the vaccine, that's not correct, because that person is at risk of transmitting the virus to children who we still cannot vaccinate. So that is the reason. And Rebecca had a very interesting point. She asked if vaccinated adults can still be carriers of the virus.
Yes.
How exactly are the children kept safe by all adults being vaccinated?
That is the reason why we continue what is called COVID appropriate behavior despite vaccination. And so that is, you're going to wear a mask. And with this second wave and the Delta variant, because it's so infectious, the difference is that you now wear a mask even at home when you're, very close to each other. And we now also have to focus a lot on ventilation. So, keep your windows open, let there be air exchanges and dilution of air. So you need to continue COVID appropriate behavior. But the only way to be absolutely safe and for us to have a chance to discard our masks and to meet each other again is to get our whole population vaccinated who are eligible. And it's really heartening that Setu has taken the lead like this. I hope somebody does a story on this wonderful initiative that you all have done, so that all other institutions take up such measures and it becomes a movement. And the community decides that, yes, we are going to get ourselves vaccinated so that we are safe.
So maybe we can have Goa's first village 100% vaccinated.
Oh,
right?
yes.
That should be like, maybe, one of our,
yes, we should,
there can be a competition between village panchayats where they say like all the adults in our village panchayat are vaccinated.
Yes,
and we can call it the COVID unfriendly village. Thank you, Ira. So one question. So if you have COVID and you transmit the virus, and if you have vaccine, you get COVID, of course, it's not going to be as serious, and you transmit the virus. Is there any difference between these two in terms of viral load or infectivity or anything else? A person who has COVID infection?
No, this particular virus. So in between, the signal wasn't good. What I understand, you're saying that does a vaccinated person transmit the disease less compared to a non-vaccinated person? Is that a
yes? Is there any difference in this carrier status or transmission status?
No. In fact, the difference is that the host should be vaccinated on, so that the virus does not take a foothold and cause severe disease in that. The infectivity, unfortunately, is same. The person who's vaccinated is safe from severe disease, but the person whom is transmitting it, if he's not vaccinated, that's very dangerous. And this could be your child in the house because your child is no longer is not vaccinated as of now because they're not eligible for vaccination.
Right. But if the vaccine has been taken, the chance of getting COVID is much less. So you're less likely to become a carrier.
Like I said, your chance of getting COVID in the Delta strain after 2 doses is 60%. It protects you 60%. After 1 dose, it will protect you only 30%.
Right.
From getting
Right. And if you don't get it, you can't be a carrier.
Yes, if you don't get it, you can't be a carrier. Okay. And so if you're vaccinated and you have appropriate COVID appropriate behavior by wearing a mask, meeting people outdoors, keeping your space, you're unlikely to bring the vaccine home.
The virus home.
The virus, I'm sorry. The virus. Yeah, I'm vaccine, yes, vaccine. So
thank you. Shanessa, back to you.
Yes, doctor. So there are a couple of more questions. So someone has asked, what is the validity of the vaccine once taken?
Sorry, I didn't get that question. What is the
validity of the vaccine once taken?
Oh, yes. So this is an interesting question. Now we know that the flu viruses mutate very fast. So the flu viruses come out in September and they're valid for just a year. But this, fortunately, one good thing about this COVID-19 virus, it doesn't mutate that fast. It's not like every few days it's mutating. and so they think it will be at least for a minimum of 1 year. It will be effective. Okay. As of now, we are learning about this virus and its vaccine efficacy. But as of now, they believe at least for a year it will protect you. Because a lot of people are asking, should I now be taking a booster shot now that this Delta is there and Delta Plus is there? But as of now, the Covishield vaccine is working against the Delta strain.
Thank you, doctor. I think that was a question in many of our minds. Yeah,
Okay.
thank you for clarifying that. There's another question. Um, is it okay for a woman planning a pregnancy to take the vaccine?
Yes, absolutely. In fact, I tell everybody take the vaccine and then plan your pregnancy because there's no risk. During pregnancy, you can't take the vaccine. And we know that COVID affects the fetus. We are having now a lot of people coming with, oligoamnios, which is like dry labor. They're getting IUGR, they're getting stunted babies. And we're just learning from all of this. And it is definitely you should take the vaccine and then go ahead with planning a pregnancy. Unfortunately, a lot of people are worried about sterility being caused by the vaccine. We definitely know that COVID has much higher chance of causing you sterility or fetal loss or other complicated pregnancies, complications during pregnancy. So definitely you should get vaccinated before you plan a pregnancy. And it does not cause any sterility as has been observed as of now, but we know definitely that COVID can cause nephritis and affect the genitourinary system, and there's a much higher chance that fertility could be affected with the COVID infection.
So, Ira, can you get pregnant the same day as you've taken the vaccine?
No, I think you should allow your body to produce antibodies so that you're safe. So that would be a minimum period of, in a single, it is said that after 2 doses, you need another 2 weeks before you can say that you have got enough antibody protection.
So 84 plus 14, right?
3 months is not a long time, Nandu, because otherwise you're waiting for 9 months,
right,
during which you're living in fear that you're going to contact the disease. And then you have the fear that which hospital is going to accept you for your delivery. And then you're worried about your baby. It's endless.
Right. So roughly around 3.5 to 4 months after you've taken your first
three and a
dose,
half
right?
months is that.
Then
You should rush to take it as soon as you can.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Nagratna needed a clarification. She asked, after 1 dose of vaccine, after how many days is it effective? What if the vaccine is taken today and after 3 days you get COVID? Then what?
Then definitely you have not got COVID because the vaccine, you have been harboring COVID. We know that the incubation period is like from 4 to even up to 17 days. So if a person has got COVID infection after 3 days, definitely they were in the incubation period, or what we call the pre-symptomatic period.
Okay. डॉक्टर आयरा एक प्रश्न असले की सपोज आवयक आमी इंजेक्शन दिवंक जायना ओके तूं म्हणटा की ताका कोविड जावपाची चान्स खूब आसा आणि सपोज आवयक आमी इंजेक्शन दिवंक ना जाल्यार आनी ताका कोविड जाता तातून कॉम्प्लिकेशन्स खूब आसा बिकॉज वासीन घेतल्यार ती लोकांक केन्ना दिसता की वासीन घेतल्यार भुरगीं जावचे ना पूण तूं म्हणटा कोविड जाल्यार कोविड जाता जाल्यार भुरगीं ना जावपाची रिस्क आनीक आसा कित्याक ते इन्फेक्शन फूल बॉडीन वयता आनी ते म्हणजे ओवरीज इन्फ्लेम जाता आनी युट्रस इन्फ्लेम जाता एम आय रायट
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. And if the mother is already pregnant, then they should not take the vaccine as of now in India.
Yes.
Okay. There were some raised hands, so I don't know if those people would like to unmute themselves. If Janessa, I can't see the participants, but there were 2-3 raised hands.
Mayuri Bhatt has raised a hand. Mayuri, would you like to ask your question? Okay, she's removed her hand now, so I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, so There was a question in the chat in the question
Okay.
section. My wife recently delivered. Is it safe for her to take the vaccine 45 days later, and what effects does it have on the newborn baby?
Yeah, so we the this 45 days later has been taken because post delivery there are certain hormones or certain things that are produced in your body so that there is clotting and there's not too much of bleeding. So because this tendency of clotting is little more, that is why 45 days is taken, by which time the mother's physiology and her whole system comes back to normal. After 45 days, she should immediately take the vaccine because now she's going to protect her baby as well when she's breastfeeding. So she's protecting herself as well as her baby. In
Because
fact, we have had mothers who have come, 3, 4 days, for the vaccine, and we feel so bad to send them back and say, no, come back after 45 days.
डिलिव्हरीच्या उपरांत सो सुमार रावपाक जाय आनी मागीर कोविड-19 वॅक्सीन घेवंक जाता. Shanessa,
Thanks, doctor.
any more questions?
Yes, doctor, there is one more. I've taken the first dose, but if I get no effects like pain, fever after the vaccination, does it mean the vaccine was ineffective?
Cal-
Doctor, you want me to repeat?
Did you get that, Ira?
No, just say that again. It was not so clear. Nanda, I put off my video here.
Right. So no pain or fever after the vaccine. Does this mean it was ineffective?
No, not at all. In fact, it is said that the older the person is, the less are the chances of getting any side effects, the flu-like illness side effects that people get. With Covaxin, it is the flu virus, a different flu virus is used as a vector. So you're getting the symptoms of that flu virus, and the younger you are, the more chances of this side effects. While the older you are, some of them have had no side effects at all. They have even, because they were worried, they've even done their antibodies and they have been sufficient titers. So having no side effects of the vaccine or effects of the vaccine does not mean the vaccine has not worked.
Thank you. Shanessa, any more questions?
Thank you, doctor.
Or raised hands?
What is your message to parents and children on the third wave expected?
See, the third wave is expected somewhere in August, September. We can, not have a wave at all, or we can have a very small wave if we get vaccinated as soon as possible. So it is in the interest of parents to get themselves vaccinated and every other adult who is eligible for vaccination to be vaccinated, because in that way their children will be protected.
तू कितें म्हणटा की हो थर्ड वेव जावपाचो आसा आमी ते एक्चुअली बंद करूंक जाता या तो वेव एकदम म्हणजे मायल्ड करूंक जाता आमी सगळीं जाणां वॅक्सिनेट जाता जाल्यार. Am I right? And we can prevent this wave from being too severe. नाजाल्यार थर्ड वेव येयल्यार चड करून आमचे भुरग्याक तांचेर प्रभाव जातलो. Correct? They will be infected and have the complications.
A lot of people believe that, is this really going to come? Is it just all hype? But we've seen it that in countries like Brazil, the third wave has already come. In other countries where we were 2 months behind, it has already come. In some states like in Delhi, they already had a third wave. So each state, depending on what their policies are, had different kinds of waves. But generally as a country, we've had 2 waves. And definitely the third wave is on the horizon, but we can not allow it to submerge us by getting ourselves and everybody around us vaccinated. So it's wonderful. I think, Setu, you may get a prize for being 100% vaccinated.
Oh, I'm sure that is, if someone learns or takes our experience forward, that would be great. It's not difficult to do at all. And to म्हणटा actually schools or daycare centers भुरगीं वयता थंयसर ते तसले संस्थेन सगळीं जाणां वॅक्सिनेट जाता जाल्यार आमी आमचे भुरग्याक सुरक्षीत दवरूंक जाता. And Mr. Sawant had a question, will third wave be stronger than second wave?
Yeah, see, when this after the first wave, everyone was so complacent because we thought that okay, we have developed some amount of immunity, and the second wave, if it comes, is definitely going to be smaller than the first wave. And we also thought that we've had SARS before, we've had swine flu before, and we have handled it. But this is a completely new virus. It mutated, and we never imagined we would have these numbers. And that's why the system got overwhelmed and it broke down. Now, if the virus again mutates, we could, and if we go slow on vaccination, we are giving the virus a chance to mutate. So the faster we get vaccinated, the less likely we are going to have a wave that could, be bigger or, as big as the previous wave. We really don't know.
Right. So you're saying not only can we protect ourselves and our kids, but we can prevent the virus from becoming more aggressive. Because then the virus doesn't have a chance to change itself.
Correct.
If we all get immunized. Yeah. And therefore, that's the other way how vaccination protects us as well as...
so we have to do it quickly. We cannot stretch it over many months, because another 2 or 3 months, the virus will then have a foothold in our children, and then the cases will start rising.
Okay. Thank you so much. We've gone beyond 7 p.m. But if there are any other burning questions...
Doctor, do we have time for some more questions? I think.
Ira?
Yeah, sure. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so
maybe another 5 minutes. The poor
sure.
doctor has been working right from early morning, and we need to give her a break. So, but yes, since we have so many parents and so many questions, and we are all learning, and
no, I'm ready to answer questions.
Thanks, Dr. Ira. Go ahead, Shanessa.
So this question was already answered earlier, with regards to getting vaccinated after treatment of COVID. So you had mentioned 3 months, right, doctor?
Yes, 3 months after recovery.
Okay, all right. So that's one question.
Can I read one?
Yes,
Desiree has asked that there are inputs that the vaccine affects the antibody system. While one is protected from COVID, every other infection will attack the body.
No, that's not true, because we know that we take many vaccines. We take as many as 18 to 20 vaccines we give our children in the first year of life. And yet the protection against the other diseases is as good. Children get other infections and their bodies are still responding and protecting. So it's not that if you like the way the virus hijacks your system, it's not that the vaccine hijacks your immune system. It does its job, and the immune system still functions and can handle other infections, as we have already seen, because we have started our vaccination in January. We are already like mid-June, so 6 months is up, and we have seen no such effect, which perhaps is a fear that people had, but there's been no evidence of that.
Right. So the vaccine has no immunosuppressant effect?
No, it has no immunosuppressant.
Okay, thank you. And Edwina said, how is that the virus first targeted the seniors, then middle age, and now third wave will be for kids? It's like a pre-programmed virus.
Yeah, it's because the elders were the most susceptible at that time. So the younger people had immunity, so it attacks the people it can easily attack. So the elders were most susceptible. Once they were vaccinated, it moved to the next group. And now children were protected, they were inside the home. So meanwhile, the vaccine has now mutated to become more infectious. And earlier, while we would get, like, say, one family member positive, asymptomatic, after 2 weeks, the grandmother would be positive. This second wave, we would get the whole family positive at one time. So it was very infectious, very quickly spreading, and the positivity, that's why it was so high.
Right, and we have seen multiple family members dying from the virus in the second wave, right? And children have become orphaned because they've lost both their parents.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah. Sandra asked, do you need to register for the vaccine online or can you just walk in?
No, you can just walk in. There are in Goa some 40 permanent centers, and there are altogether 200 centers in the periphery. But these work, there's a timetable which is available online. So in each periphery, you have the main center that is there 24, 9 to 5, all days of the week, including Sundays and holidays. And you have satellite centers in various areas in the villages, so people can
In fact, Ira, I
have
really
access
want,
to it and it's much closer to them. People
thanks.
who are people who are not so mobile can be kept in their cars, and the vaccine can be given in the car, and the post observation can be done in the car. We have not yet started going to people's homes, but maybe that will come sometime later.
In fact, Ira, I want to congratulate the entire health system in Goa, which has done such a fantastic job to help Goans and people who live in Goa get this vaccine. And both my doses, I went on Sunday. It was smooth as, silk, and so quick, so much of care. Even during the waiting, there were medical staff around. So really, it's a hats off to the health system and to people like you who have kind of been at the head of this campaign to get us vaccinated. And it's a free vaccine. I mean, that's just so wonderful. So
Thank you, Nandita.
thanks a lot.
There's one more thing. This Chief Minister has also, the country is starting 18 plus on the 21st. He has advanced it and we started on the 13th, like a week earlier. So we've had 18,000 doses a day being given every day. So we have like a head start, and hopefully, like you said, a whole Setu is already maybe 100% vaccinated, and you have other villages, and maybe Goa as a state can also be one of the first states to be fully vaccinated.
Right. That would be really an honor, and I think so wonderful. So, so every parent or person who's been on this webinar, I hope you're fully convinced that all of us in Goa can get vaccinated. We can do this for our tiny state and keep our children safe. And please stand on your rooftops and shout out, get vaccinated yourself first, and then tell everybody else to do the same. Thank you so much, Ira. I don't know if there are any more questions. It's already 10 minutes past 7. And there is a feedback form. So before you leave, please do fill the feedback form and let us know what you thought of this program. I'm so grateful to Dr. Ira for the time she has given us and for the in-depth knowledge and wisdom and practical information that she has shared. चोड आणि चोड देव बरें करूं तुका डॉक्टर आयरा. खरेंच हांव खूब शिकल्या आणि म्हाका दिसता सगळे जे प्रश्न आमी विचारल्या रायट फ्रॉम pregnancy and planning pregnancy, during pregnancy, after childbirth, children, young people, adults, सगळे एजीचे क्वेश्चन्स तुवें आमकां एकदम बरे भाशेन आन्सर दिल्या, and we are going to have record this and hopefully it will be out on YouTube, and other people who couldn't attend can take advantage of this information. Thank you so much. Once again, please fill the feedback forms. And you're welcome to write in your questions. You may think of something a few days ahead, and we can, answer them on Facebook or through social media so that more and more people can get this information. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome, Nandita. Yeah, it's my pleasure to have done this, and I hope it gets converted into more vaccinations being taken in Goa. And truly, Setu has been an inspiration, and I have been quoting your example even to like industrial institutions, and how you all have taken a lead in having your whole environment safe for both the providers as well as the people who are coming into services. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Ira.
Thank you, Dr. Ira and Dr. Nandita, for the patience that you all have taken to answer the questions that were asked previously, as well as the questions that were asked during the session itself. And Dr. Ira, through Dr. Nandita, has always been our guiding star with regards to the pandemic right from the start. Whatever questions we had, Dr. Nandita would call Dr. Ira and get them answer. Thank you so much.
That was my standard answer. They would ask me questions. I'm going to ask Ira, and immediately on the hotline to Ira, and you'd always
You're welcome.
clear-cut answers. So, thanks a lot for that support all through these crazy 15 months. So, thanks a lot.
And participants, as Dr. Nandita mentioned, the feedback form is in the chat. Kindly fill it out. And if you all still have any more doubts or any questions, you all can always email us, and we'll try our best to answer them with Dr. Ira's help. Thank you and have a good evening.
Yeah. Good night. Good
night. Thanks, everybody. Yeah, you've posted.